friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise, and today's video is super exciting because, as you are all aware, it is October, which means that spooky season has begun and it is time for all of the super fun Halloween videos to come out. So this is the first Halloween video for 2019 that I am putting up on my channel, and I am so excited for it because I really love Halloween. It's not really a big thing here in Australia, but I always love celebrating it with super fun costumes, super fun activities. So what better way to kick off the spooky season than with a Dollskill Halloween costume and Halloween accessories haul. But just my usual disclaimer with Dollskill, this video is not sponsored, but they did send me these clothes free of charge. We kind of have an arrangement, I guess you'd say, where if I want to make a Dollskill video, they will send me the items free of charge, but it's not sponsored. I'm not being paid to say this, so as such, my opinion is, of course, as always, 100% my own. Everything I say is my opinion, and I will be brutally honest as always. So without further ado, let's open up this big box because I don't have a Halloween costume yet for this year, so hopefully there is a cute one in here that I'll be able to wear. The first costume from Dollskill looks like this. This is the packaging, and it is very me, but this one is called Bobbie's workout plan. You guys know I love Bobbie. All things Bobbie I think are gorgeous, so a Bobbie Halloween costume, that is right up my alley. Alright, so for this costume, we have this pink latex one-piece jumpsuit, and it looks to be pretty cute. The thing with these though is that they either look amazing on you or they look like a trash bag. So I ordered this in a size XS because that's my usual size on Dollskill, so hopefully it'll grab me in all the right places and I will look super cute in this. But that's of course not all of the costume because that wouldn't look too much like Bobbie just by itself. So it also comes with a working out headband because it's like a 70s. Is that the right era? I think that's the right era. Bobbie is, you know, working out. So it has the headband, a cute little like sweat scarf, and then also it has the rainbow leggings. So this costume is gonna look super cute. I love all the accessories. But one thing I didn't realize that was included in the costume that I think is great is a blonde wig. So usually on websites such as Dollskill or like Fashion Nova, all those sorts of websites, the wigs are sold separately and you have to pay for them separate, but this one came with it, which I think is so good, and the wig looks to be pretty cute. So let's go try this costume on because so far I'm really impressed with it. I love all the accessories. I think it will really make this look, and hope that it looks good. Alright, this is what the Bobbie costume looks like on, and unfortunately we are not off to a great start. So this is the front, and I actually can't show you guys the back because this is a very tight costume. I knew it would be when I saw it online and unpacking it and all that jazz, but it wasn't until I had it on that I realized just how tight it is. It's so tight that I can't do up the zipper on the back of it. So yeah, I definitely should have gone for the size small and not the extra small. So definitely, most definitely size up on this costume because I think it actually looks pretty good when it's on. The wig is just like a typical Halloween wig, so I'm glad that it has the headband. That way you can cover the front and it makes it look a little bit more real. And I think the accessories on this really pull it together. It makes it look a lot more like Bobbie's workout plan. And if you wear this, everyone will definitely know that you are Bobbie. So it's really cute. Just be sure to size up so that you don't have the same dilemma as I do. The next costume is this one here, which is a Marina Goddess. When I saw this, I thought that it was gorgeous because it's one of those costumes that just kind of looks like you have a really cool outfit on, and it's covered in stars and sparkles, so definitely up my extra alley. So I hope that it looks just as good in person as it did on the website. So it firstly has this headband here. Oops, I held it up the wrong way. Has this headband here that is super cute. I mean, that's really extra and cute. Okay, wait, is this gonna be my Halloween costume? This is so cool. Wow, and this is the actual costume. So, like I said, it's just like a gorgeous outfit that is super cute. So it's a dress with one puffy sleeve, and it is a sequin material with this star on the front covered in tulle and stars. I mean, girl, This is a beautiful costume. This is just a beautiful dress in general that I think will look so cute. It's one of those costumes that's definitely out of the box by saying you're a Marina Goddess. No one else at the party will be the same as you, that's for sure. So I think that this is beautiful. I really, really love this, and I really hope that it looks good on, because I might just wear this for Halloween. I don't know, I still have another costume to try on, but I mean, this headband, I'm really feeling. All right guys, this is what the costume looks like on. Before I say anything, this is the front and this is the back. And I love this costume so much. I wasn't sure how I would feel about it, since, you know, the Marina Goddess, I don't really think that's a thing. Maybe it is in like Greek mythology or whatever. But usually on Halloween, I like to dress up as something that's like, oh, you're blah, blah, blah. Like you're Bobbie, you're Winnie the Pooh, I don't know, you know what I mean? So I expected to like this costume. Obviously I picked it out, but I didn't expect it to be the one I'd want to wear on Halloween. But I love this costume so much. I just really didn't expect to like it this much. It's just so me, you know? It's so extra and girly and so pretty. I just think they have done such a good job with this costume. Adding these tulle bits to give it all the beautiful layers makes it feel so luxurious, even though it's not. It's just like a chiffon tulle material, but it just feels so nice on. It's not itchy or anything like that. It's super comfortable to wear, and it still looks so cute. Like, I just feel like this costume is perfectly me in my style on Halloween. You know, it's just so glamorous, all the beautiful stars on it, and I just love it so much. So what do you guys think? Do you think I should wear this beautiful costume on Halloween? If I do, you guys all have to pretend that you haven't seen it before when I post an Instagram photo of it, okay? That's the deal. But seriously guys, it is really well made. I forgot that I'm meant to be reviewing this because I just fangirled over this costume for the past 5 minutes. One thing is the straps are a little bit big on me, and I did order this in an extra small, so I will have to sew those down. But that's the only critique I have of this item. I just think it's amazing. The headband really fits it. It seems to be a theme in this video that the accessories are on point, so I just love this. I could not recommend it more. The next and final costume from Dollskill. Don't worry, we're not at the end of the video. Still have a bunch of accessories for Halloween to show you guys. But the last costume I got more as a funny one. So I've shown you guys 2 super cute costumes that I would love to personally wear. And this last one is more of a gag costume. Maybe you're just with your girls that night, or your guys, whoever you're hanging with, where you don't necessarily want to dress up, you want to be the funny one. This right here, the crazy cat lady costume, is the one for you. And not gonna lie, I just fully hit myself in the face. But what I was gonna say is, not gonna lie, I'm definitely still considering this costume. But let's see what it looks like before I make that commitment. This costume is amazing. So it comes with a pink robe that is covered in little cats. And this robe is actually pretty good because it's quite fluffy and soft, so you could wear this after Halloween as well as like a night robe. So that is so funny, and it's pink, my favorite color, so you could definitely make this cute as well by wearing something really cute underneath this. But that is not all. Dollskill came through with the accessories, because this doesn't really scream crazy cat lady. It just looks like, you know, a little bit crazy, might like cats. The accessories, I think that's really gonna sell it. Okay, firstly, there are these glasses, which I kind of think are low-key cute. They're meant to be like crazy cat lady, but like, it's kind of a look with the rhinestones on them. I like these. And then there is a wig. It is a black short-haired wig with the curlers attached, of course. So I won't put this on now whilst I have my hair all done, but I mean, let's go try on this costume with the wig and just see how it looks. I think that this is going to be honestly the most iconic outfit in this video. All right, you guys, this is what my future looks like as a crazy cat lady. No, I'm totally kidding. Well, am I? We'll see. But this is what the crazy cat lady costume looks like on it. So this is the front and this is the back. Peep a little cat on the back there. I love this costume so much. So I'm gonna take these glasses off. I think they look gorgeous with the costume, but I did notice that they're reflecting with my lighting. So I'll take these off, and you know what? I'll do the typical cat lady thing and I'll put them right there. So I love this costume. I think it is hilarious. I would definitely wear this on Halloween for a laugh. I think it is so funny, and if you live somewhere that's kind of cold, it's actually perfect because this is really warm. Like, I think that I'm gonna keep this and use it as an actual dressing gown because it's so warm, and I really do like cats, so I mean, that is perfect. But it is just hilarious. As I said earlier, you could maybe dress it up by putting something cute underneath and wear this undone, but I don't know, I kind of think if you're going for the crazy cat lady, you gotta go for it. Get a real cat by your side, just go all for it. But it is just hilarious. I love this wig. I love this entire costume, you guys. I just think it is the funniest thing ever. So I 10 out of 10 recommend. It is by far the most comfortable Halloween costume I have ever tried. And again, the accessories on this outfit really make it work. I think that's what makes these Dollskill Halloween costumes so great, is their attention to detail and their use of accessories. If it was just the robe, it wouldn't look as good. But having the robe, the hair with the curlers still in, and of course the glasses, I just think it is hilarious and the best costume ever. I mean, if you wear this to somewhere where there is a best dressed award, you are by far gonna win because everyone's gonna have a laugh. So I just love this so much. And honestly, this is probably gonna be me in the future with all my cats. So I have to prepare for it now. So I just love it so much, and it is the best. Alright, we are now moving on to the accessories portion of this video because Dollskill has a bunch of gorgeous Halloween bags, shoes, all fun things like that. So I also got a bag. This is what it looks like. Let's take it out of the packaging. And this is it. It is a jack-o'-lantern that is super sparkly, and then on the back it's not as sparkly, but it is on these bits here. So this is gorgeous. Does it have a little strap? Yes, okay, cool. It does have a strap to make it into a fully functional bag, and I love this. So I really like Halloween, as I said earlier, and as such I am doing quite a few fun Halloween things this October, and I thought that a bag like this would just be perfect. It makes any outfit look super Halloween-y and witchy, and I just love it so much. Isn't it so cute? It actually also is fairly big as well. The inside is quite big, so you'll be able to fit all your stuff in there, because I hate when I can't fit like my phone, wallet, keys, and everything in there, because you know, what's the point of having a bag if you then have to carry everything? So I'm glad that it is a big size, and isn't that just iconic? I love it so much. I really cannot wait to use it. I'm gonna wear it out this weekend. Am I doing anything Halloween-y? No, but it's October. It's what it's made for. You have to wear it. It's the law. The next Halloween accessory from Dollskill is super exciting because it is a pair of heels, and you guys know how much I love high heels. I may have a bit of an obsession, but I don't have any Halloween or witchy looking high heels in my collection. So Dollskill came through. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, these are amazing. So these are the heels. They are a platform heel and a big, thick and very tall heel on the back that has this chain detail that has a spider hanging off it, and on the strap that goes around your ankle, it has a chain with a spider on it as well. So these are so cool. They are so very high, so I'm gonna be definitely over 6 foot in these, but I live for that. So these heels I think are really good. This sort of heel where it has the platform on the front are so easy to walk in. Another pair of heels that I got from Dollskill in my high heel haul, and they are in this sort of style. They are the most comfortable high heels I've ever had, and they are also the tallest pair of heels that I've ever had, which is very surprising. But seriously, when it has the platform, it takes so much of the pain out of your feet. So I'm really excited to wear these. It's definitely something different, but I love it. It looks like a spider's web on the back with the chain. It's just really cool, and it's just so Dollskill, so Halloween-y. I'm definitely gonna have to wear these this October. I'll have to, oh my gosh, you know what these would be perfect for? You're gonna laugh that I'm really just thinking of this, but Halloween! These would be perfect with basically any of these costumes, because it just adds that little Halloween touch, but still looking cute in some heels. The next item is something that I didn't expect, because as I said, this is a Halloween haul, but Dollskill has thrown in in this right here, which I don't think is a Halloween item. Okay, so this is the item. It is a blue dress, as you can see here, and then on the back it has a bunch of bows on it. But it's a cute dress nonetheless. I haven't really seen it before, so I mean it would be great for summer because this sort of style where it has the open back, that'll keep you nice and cool, and honestly that's something I should be wearing right now because I'm heating up in this sweater and lights. But it looks to be pretty well made. They've used a nice thick material and also put some lining on the back there so that that canvas material isn't on your skin because that's not very comfortable. So this is just an added bonus, I guess, because it's not very Halloween-y, but I'm sure you can make some sort of costume out of this. You could probably dress this up to be Cinderella. Should we do that in the try on part? I think we should. Let's try this on whilst trying to look like a Cinderella or maybe Alice in Wonderland. I don't know, we'll see what happens when I look for accessories to try this on with. That way you're getting an extra Halloween costume, but one that's easy to make with items that you already have and this beautiful dress. So let's go put it on and see what I come up with. Ta-da! This is what the dress looks like on, and this is my version of a very easy Cinderella Halloween costume. So this is the front of the dress and this is the back with a little opening. So as you can see, I have turned this into a Cinderella Halloween costume really easily, because if we've learned anything in this video, it's that accessories are all you need to make a great costume. So I've used this dress as the base, and then I have just put my hair up into a bun in Cinderella's classic style with the side sweep. You don't want to see the back. Oh, I just showed you the back. Sorry, please excuse all those bobby pins on the back of my head. As you guys know, my hair is here, so getting it up into a bun was a challenge, but I did it. So I then added this pearl headband for some accessories. Of course, a black choker, just like Cinderella wears. This is actually a piece of elastic that really hurt. And then the final touch would be to wear some super sparkly heels. These are the ones I would wear. They're cheap from eBay. They're meant to be some dupes of, I think, Christian Louboutins. It's from my old eBay video, but adding these to your look will just give you the perfect Cinderella vibe because these look like glass slippers. And there you go, I literally had all of these items in my home except for this dress. So if you love this dress as much as I do, because I think it's super cute, it would be a great Cinderella Halloween costume. You could also potentially turn this into Alice in Wonderland or any other characters that wear a blue dress. Literally all you need is this dress and your imagination. So I really enjoyed actually putting my hair all up like this. I think it's such a cute costume, and let's put these heels on because that will really add to the look. And there we have the beautiful Cinderella shoes, and we are ready for Halloween. So just goes to show how easy it is to make a quick yet still gorgeous Halloween costume. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a DIY Halloween costume video, because I would gladly make that as well. But I think that this would be great because I know not everyone wants to go out and spend a lot of money on a costume. So if that's you, then this, I think, is a great idea. Alright, and with that, that is the end of my Dollskill Halloween costume and Halloween accessories haul. What did you guys think? I am very impressed with Dollskill's Halloween costumes, and I think I might wear one of these for Halloween myself. I'm still a little bit undecided, so let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I upload 2 new videos every single week. And if you want to see more of my face or these Halloween accessories in action, then be sure to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. My links are on the screen right now and also linked down below. And that's all for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and I will see you next time. Bye!